Hi friends, today we are compare Realme Narzo 10 with Redmi Note 9 Pro. If you like our videos, please hit on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Realme and Redmi often have similar offerings in India that compete in the budget segment for the market share. Redmi Note 9 Pro rivaled with the Realme 6, while the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max went against the Realme 6 Pro. However, looks like Realme is not done yet. It just launched an all-new Narzo lineup targeting the youth, or the Generation Z, with Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A, which are priced at Rs 11,999 and Rs 8,499 respectively. The Narzo 10 is more or less similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro in some departments, including the battery, charging speed, rear cameras, and the front camera. We are comparing the Realme Narzo 10 with Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9 Pro based on their prices, specifications, and features. The Realme Narzo 10 comes only in a single storage variant with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. The device is priced at Rs 11,999, will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com. Realme has yet to announce the availability date. The Redmi Note 9 Pro, on the other hand, is a bit expensive than the Realme's latest offering. The device was launched at Rs 12,999 for the base model of 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage and Rs 15,999 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage model. However, after the GST hike on smartphones, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is now even more expensive. The 4GB RAM model is priced at Rs 13,999 and the 6GB RAM model is priced at Rs 16,999. The Xiaomi phone is being sold via Amazon and Mi.com. The Realme Narzo sports an outdated dewdrop notch on the front, whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro sports a punch-hole display similar to the new Galaxy Note device. The Realme phone has a plastic back, but the Redmi device sports a glass back with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The fingerprint sensor on the Narzo 10 is rear-mounted, while Redmi Note 9 Pro sports a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Both the devices carry the 3.5mm headphone jack. Both the phones sport an IPS LCD display with 29 aspect ratio, but while the Realme Narzo sports a 6.5-inch screen with 1600x720 pixels resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, the Redmi Note 9 Pro takes the lead with its 6.67-inch screen with 2400x1080 pixels resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on top. The Realme Narzo is powered by the 12nm MediaTek Helio G80 processor paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and the Redmi Note 9 Pro is powered by the 8nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor paired with Adreno 618 GPU. Based on the specifications of the two chipsets, the Snapdragon 720G takes the lead over the Helio G80 chipset. The two phones run Android 10 out of the box with their own skin on top. Realme Narzo 10 runs Realme UI, whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro runs the MIUI 11. The Realme Narzo 10 features a quad rear camera setup carrying a 48MP primary lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP black and white lens. The Redmi Note 9 Pro also features a quad rear camera setup carrying 48MP primary lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP macro lens, and 2MP depth sensor. The front camera on both the phones is a 16MP selfie shooter that can record 1080p videos at 30 fps. The Realme Narzo is backed by a 5000 mAh battery and the Redmi Note 9 Pro sports 5020 mAh battery. Both the phones support 18-watt fast charging. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more technology-related videos.